So this is in Oliver Street. This is John Lobb here, and yeah, it's very easy to miss. I've come I've come down the street, down Oliver Street. This is Oliver Street. Yeah, I've come down the street and I've completely missed it and gone past it, and I had to turn round at the end, turn left and go all round the block again because it's a one-way street. So just warning you, yeah. So this is coming up to the entrance, and it's quite a palaver to get in. So yeah, this is the entrance. So you've got to do all this, press blah blah on intercom and make selection, then press bell. Yeah, and then you've got to say come to the factory shop. Quite a palaver to get in, and the factory shop is over there. Okay, on the left, that's the factory shop, and you need to bang on the door. There's no bell or anything, you need to bang on the door. I ended up going over there to that to those shutters. So it's over there on the left. You go through this gate there on the left, and I went in and asked if I could film, and they said no. They weren't very friendly actually. So the shoes are pretty expensive. They're about all seconds, and yet they're about 650 quid each. So there were a couple of like boat shoes and the new Northampton style of loafers for about 170, but all the other shoes were 550, 650, so pretty expensive.